Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect your speaker to your AVR receiver. Anyway, I have here an example. This is a center speaker. So if this is center speaker, you put the wire on the center speaker here. See, it says center here. Let me focus on that one. Right, so this is a 7-to-1 receiver. So here is the surround sound. So the wire that goes here, or the speakers that goes here, goes in the back, behind you. And this is the center. This is gonna be mainly where the voice gonna come out, the talking part of the movie. And here is an optional front. So this is gonna be like high. Put it on top. And here's another front A. This one's gonna be the one facing you. So these two are gonna be facing you. These two gonna be up on the ceiling, or wherever you wanna put it, or the side, wherever. This is the center, and this is the back. So to wire this, you get here is a speaker wire. This one has a red and black. Sometimes you get those cheaper ones, the silver and bronze. It's whatever how you're gonna do it. So if you're gonna put, like, if you're using the silver and bronze, if you put silver here on the red and black here on the bronze here and silver here on the speaker, if you put bronze on the black here, let me put on those. So if you're gonna put the bronze on the black here on the speaker, put the bronze here, and if you're gonna put silver here, put the silver. Do not reverse them, okay? So black, and this is just green. So put the green on the orange, but make sure it's silver to silver, bronze to bronze, or bronze to bronze, and silver. So do not invert them, okay? So and this one, so since I have a black and white the wires over here, so I'm gonna hook up the wires here. So since this is black, I'm just gonna match it with a black here. Push this button. Push this. I can do it without blocking you. Okay, there. And slide that in. That's done. The red. Twist it smaller. Try to do it without blocking. Not blocking. That's done. So since this is the center speaker, we're gonna go here and the center, loosen this up. So twist this wire, that way make it smaller and a bit more rigid. So since we put black in black and the red in the green, the colored one, so just put the black in the black. And turn or twist. If you have a banana plug, you just push it in here. But since we're not using, and that's tight. The red. So that's how you wire it, okay? Now for the speaker setup, like I said earlier, since this is 7-to-1, you need 7 speakers and 1 subwoofer. So This one is a is surround left. Hopefully the camera is still focusing on it. Let me zoom. I got here is a surround left. So the surround left is gonna be the B1 here, surround left. So you put it here, surround left. And the same thing, same setup. It's gonna be red and black. So red's gonna go here, black's gonna go here. Okay, and this one is a surround back right. So you go surround back right. So you put this here, and this one is the front left. Front left. So the front left's gonna be front right here and left. So the bigger speaker is gonna be the one facing you. The smaller one, the other one, the surround front is here, but it's gonna be above this one, or you could put it on top of this one, wherever you have space basically. If you have room to put it up in the ceiling, put it in the ceiling. The surround, I like to put the surround up. All right, so once you're done setting up your speaker, you need to hook up your subwoofer, and you need a glorified AV cable. This is just a AV cable, but we call it a subwoofer cable. Anyway, in here it says subwoofer on the red. So you just plug this in here. That's all you need to do, and you're done with that subwoofer setup. And this thing, the back here, this one will go in the back of your subwoofer. Let me show you that. So on the back of your subwoofer, you just plug it in here, and you're good to go. Okay. All right. So that's how you wire a speaker into your AVR receiver. All right. That's it. I hope this helped you guys. If you have any questions, please leave a comment section below, and hope to see you next time. Hope this helped, and thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Front left. So the front left's gonna be